got some goodies. Okay. Some Nordwand Pro Trousers.
They look nice. I
wanted to get this colour for a long time. I was trying not to copy another well-known YouTuber.
This is my jacket. This is the Cyclone rescue jacket, and it's in burgundy. Oh, that looks perfect actually.
Nice.
Looks like a perfect fit.
This is the Tornado Fleece.
When I went to Sundays, they look really nice.
Very nice.
I mean, that would fit me, I think. Might be a little bit big.
Oh dear, I forgot my jumper.
It's like Christmas. And these are the GP Pro. Yeah, they look about right.
These are a more heavier duty version of the Nordwand Pro.
Nice.
That's really nice.
It's in a jet black.
Right, we better go and test them out somewhere, I think.
Yeah, come on then. This is the Cyclone jacket from Revolutionrace. It's a really, really waterproof but highly breathable shell jacket. It's got this great big hood, which is great for keeping the wind and the rain out, but it's also helmet compatible as well. You've got these adjustable cuffs here with the Velcro and an adjustable hem with the drawstring here. There's these armpit zips here, so that will help to keep you cool, gives you extra ventilation when you're working hard. There's loads of pockets. There's these nice deep hand pockets here. You've got internal pockets for storing your valuables. You've got the ski pass pocket here on the cuff. Lots of pockets, makes it really practical. But the most important feature with this jacket is the built-in Rico reflector, which makes it easier for people to find you in case of emergency. All in, this is a really great technical jacket with lots of really good features. So these are the GP Pro Trousers from Revolutionrace. They're toughest outdoor trousers. They're really breathable and windproof and durable. They're DWR coated. The material's polyester and cotton mix. There's loads of pockets. In fact, there's 7 pockets, and there's even a handy little pocket here for your mobile phone. The knees are pre-bent, and there's also these handy little pockets for knee pads as well. So if you're working away in the forest and you're kneeling down, you won't get wet knees or sore knees, which is really handy. And there's this extra adjustment here at the bottom of the leg with the press studs. All in all, I think they're really comfortable, durable, practical trousers for working outdoors.
Alright, so we're starting off with the Tornado Fleece. So this is a combination of fleece and soft shell material. So you can see it comes with these thumb holes if you want to keep your hands a little bit warmer. It's got 3 different zips on there. 2 down low and then 1 at the top. It's a nice lightweight material and a really cool design, I think. You can use it as sort of a mid-layer, or seeing this is just the autumn at the moment, could be the only layer you need on top. And it's got adjustable drawstrings at the bottom as well, so if you want to put it in a different place, it's easy to do. The Nordwand Pro Trousers, these are the stretchiest trousers for outdoors that Revolutionrace do. Come with a number of different pockets, and this one here has got 2 different sections in, as you can see. Stretchy in all the right places. So easy to move the knees about, as you can see. There's a little bit behind the knee as well there. Onto the bottom, there's a little clip here which you can tuck away inside the trousers and pull it out to clip it onto your boot if you want. And again, it's all adjustable at the bottom there. Oh yeah.
So what do I like about the jacket? It fits really, really well. So I really love the fit of the jacket, and I really like the nice big hood, keeps all the rain off. So yeah, I really do like this jacket a lot. The only downside with this jacket really is it does seem to just mark really easily. You probably noticed I've got like mud on my hood, and it was clean before I came out on this camp. I cleaned it for the video and it just seems to get dirty. I just look at things and it gets dirty. The trousers, I would say they're brilliant quality, really like the quality, but for me the fit just isn't right at all. These are the short version. I'm only 5'3", so I'm on that sort of borderline basically of wearing petite clothes and normal adult, you know, size clothes. And yeah, the knees are supposed to be there, so they are too long for me, which means that the boot clips and things like that don't work properly for me. And can you believe these are an XL, extra large? I'm like 5'3" and 10 stone. There is no way on God's green earth that I'm extra large. So that would be my feedback to Revolution Race on that one, because no woman wants to have to buy something that's extra large when you just, you know, I would say I'm a medium. So yeah, if you are curvaceous like me, I would say these trousers are probably not the one, but the jackets and tops are great. I'd say the trousers are better for somebody with longer legs with an athletic build. But yeah, I do recommend them though. Brilliant quality, really hard wearing, really comfortable, functional, look good.
So what do I think of the clothing? The fleece, first of all, it's really nice and it's quite skin tight. It's a large, which normally is quite baggy on me, but it's good that it's quite tight like that, so it keeps all the warmth in. It is a bit, you know, tight on the armpits as well, which is a bit annoying. But all in all, I do really like it. It's pretty warm. I like the design. Yeah. Right, so onto the trousers. These are the Nordwand Pro. I got these ones at least a year ago, and I've worn them to death. You can see that they just look like brand new still. So I've just got myself another set, which is in the orangey colour, rusty orange I think it's called. Yeah, they feel great to walk in, they're nice and flexible on the knees. Yeah, they look like they'd be hard to walk in, but they're actually really nice. Great around camp. The hard wearing bits are here, flexible bits are on the knees and the back end. And one of my favourite bits is the vents. So as soon as I start getting a bit warm, just unzip that. You've got a nice big ventilation there then. I use that all the time actually. They do fit me really well, but I think it would be nice to see a little adjustment on the waistband. Instead of that, you've just got room for a belt. So you can use it like that. The other thing that does bug me, the clip to attach to your boots. Sometimes it comes out, and when you're trying to put your foot in there in the morning, your nail gets stuck on that. It's not pleasant. Apart from that, I think thoroughly recommend them. And I've been wearing these quite a bit as well. We'll wait to see if they stand the test of time, but so far, really happy with this as well.
Thumbs up Revolution Race, thanks very much for sending us these clothes. They will get a lot of use, so thanks very much.